Want to get closer to what you love? We'll show you how the features of SiriusXM with 360L will help you dive deeper into your favorite entertainment. The On-Demand button allows you to enjoy thousands of hours of exclusively recorded content, such as interviews, in-studio performances, and talk shows. To access on-demand content, press Browse and select one of the categories. From there, tap On Demand. Here you can choose from a variety of recorded shows, interviews, and events, and easily restart an episode or skip ahead. That's not all. If you're listening to an artist, song, or channel and want to explore options that follow the same vibe, you can. Tap the Related button on the Now Playing screen, and SiriusXM will display a list of content similar to what is currently playing. That's it. With On Demand and Related, you can enjoy more of the content you love in your own time and discover new channels and talk shows. Thanks for watching.